This exercise is part of our continuing effort to improve coordination between U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, state emergency management, and local emergency management, and to ensure operational readiness during a dam safety emergency at these dams. You are participating in this event because your communities, facilities, and/or jurisdictions may be impacted by spillway flows, high emergency flow releases, or breach of one of these dams. U.S. Army Corps of Engineers dams are designed to store water from rainfall and snowmelt runoff, and then slowly release it to manage flooding and downstream damages. Dams can only store so much stormwater until they become full. During a significant storm that fills the dam to capacity, an uncontrolled high-volume release of water from the dam's spillway can result in the river downstream exceeding its channel capacity. The amount of water being released could be great enough to cause flooding in downstream communities. This is the most likely scenario that could result in downstream flooding from Barre Falls Dam and/or Conant Brook Dam. It should be noted that, under this scenario, the flooding in downstream communities will still be reduced by the water that the dams are holding back. These higher releases from the spillway could create conditions similar to how the river might behave during a lesser flood event if the dam did not exist. An extremely unlikely and potentially more devastating scenario that could lead to downstream flooding is breach of the dam. If either of the scenarios described above were to occur, downstream flooding could be swift and deep, resulting in loss of life and destruction of buildings and infrastructure. During an extreme, rare weather event, if a dam failure were to occur at these dams, it could happen quickly, and residents will potentially have a short time frame to evacuate before water arrives. This is why the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers seeks to coordinate with local and state emergency management and prepare for these unlikely scenarios.